Though traveling can be exciting, it may also cause a little bit of anxiety. In this video, we will give you tips on what to pack for your travels for hot and cold weather. First, it is important that you create a checklist which will include everything you add to your bags. Let's start with the most important things. Always carry a valid government-issued ID card, driver's license, or passport when traveling. This will obviously be dependent on whether you are traveling locally or internationally. You never know when you'll need some extra cash for emergencies, so you may want to consider stopping at the ATM. Don't forget to include a small first aid kit with masks, sanitizers, bandages, and antibiotic ointment. Add body lotion, deodorant, and a toothbrush to your list of necessities. You can also add prescription drugs to the list. This will be ideal for carrying on in case your checked bags disappear. Then gather some solid snacks, just a little something in case you find yourself stuck on a delayed flight throughout the journey. Keep all your gadget chargers in one package. Maybe include a wireless charger as well as 2 phone chargers in case of any emergencies. If you are carrying more than one gadget, keep all your chargers together or pack each one with the device it belongs to. Lastly, some entertainment. This could be reading a magazine, downloading something on your smartphone or tablet, such as a series or movie, or finding anything to do without Wi-Fi. Pack ahead of time, ideally 48 hours before your journey. Now, when it comes to the bags you will take, decide whether you will check your bags or just bring a carry-on. While there are 3 things you should consider: how long will the journey take, what will you be doing, and what kind of weather will you be traveling to at your destination. The fact that your luggage is lightweight is something you should definitely keep in mind. Now, let's say you're regularly traveling with a carry-on. Ensure that it meets the airline size requirements for the route you're taking. Carry-ons provide limited space for clothes, so it is more convenient for short-term trips. If you are traveling to a hot area, then pack your shades. Prepare a bathing suit to pair with your sunglasses. Bring a sunscreen if you plan to wear a bathing suit. Wearing sunscreen is essential to preventing sunburn. Throw in some cover-ups, maybe 2, some loose-fitted pants, sleepwear, 3 to 4 tops, some pair of shorts, and a pair or 2 of flip-flops. And don't forget a couple of hats. Next, we'll be talking about traveling in the winter and what to pack. We advise bringing a backpack with between 30 to 40 liters. There's enough room inside to fit everything, yet the bag is still compatible with carry-on luggage in the majority of flights. Try and implement layering when dressing up. Think about grabbing a piece of thermal clothing to start with, the base layer. The purpose of this layer is to essentially lock all the heat against your body. Include water-resistant coats, sweatshirts, and raincoats. It's essential to have goods in your kit like gloves, scarves, hats, and buffs when traveling because you can lose a lot of heat through your hands, neck, and head. Last but certainly not least, while traveling, having a consistent look can make it much easier to mix and match pieces together. We prefer wearing darker, more neutral hues because they go well with most things and tend to conceal dirt. Wherever you decide to travel to, we at Earthhoppers wish you safe and happy travels.